y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Niara Alexis, and like the title says, today I'm gonna be showing you how I install these clip-ins for added length, like a little bit of length and volume for this holiday hair look. So before we get into it, I did make these clip-ins myself, and I will have that video linked down below for you guys. That video will detail everything in terms of hair, how I dyed the hair, how I prepped it, what I washed it with, my technique for adding the clips onto the tracks, all of that stuff. So if you have any questions like that, please check down in the description bar below. There will be a link there for the video. All of your questions should be answered there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 clips in total. And when I made my clip-ins, I did do them in varying lengths as well, so that it would kind of have like a natural like layering look, because that's how my hair kind of is already. My first clip, I want it to be a little further down. You're gonna want to start your clips down. Don't ever start putting your clips in from up here and try to work your way down, girl. You ask for problems. And as you can see, I'm installing my clips while my hair is straight, because then I'm gonna curl the clips in my hair together. So the first clip I'm gonna put in is my longest length, and it is 3 clips on there, okay? So just gonna go right in the middle. You're gonna wanna make sure that you have some space between your edges. You don't ever wanna be clipping your clip-ins right on the edge. Don't do that. You're just asking for the hair to be yanked out. Now that I have them in, I'm gonna try not to flat iron my hair anymore, because it doesn't need to be. And I'm gonna use my little tool, same as like when I do my hair, to get it really straight. I'm really going more so for like volume. Wow, you see my what your mama used to do, she used to just lick you. So our first clip is in. Can you see it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Second clip is gonna go a little higher up. Now, the other thing that you wanna be mindful of when you're putting your clip-ins in, do not put them too close together. Just parting. This one has 4 clips, and this is again the longest length that I have. So that's why it's going in as the second clip. And I'm not getting up to get any lotion, so y'all just gonna have to deal with how ashy my elbows are. So I want ashy, yep. So I'm just deal with it. Okay, so our second clip is in. Next, I have like these 3, and these are the next length. Each have 2 clips on them. Again, try to give yourself like some space between your edges. Do not clip something like this close to your edge. Remember, I told you guys, I also had that incident when I was in college, when that girl did a sew-in on my hair. And so like these parts of my hair are very sensitive to any type of tension ever since she snatched me balds. So we're working our way up to the top. So our last clips are right here. So now I'm gonna go right here, because I wanna leave room for clips I'm gonna put up here. If you guys can see, I'm kind of doing it at an angle. Can you see? So it's not straight. It's kind of going up like that. And that's so that I can angle the clip-ins so that the hair is falling forward, like into my face, and it's not just sitting back. And this is of the shortest length I got. I think the shortest length I got is like 12 inches, 12 or 10. It'll show up on the screen. I'm thinking I want to do like a side part type of look. So that kind of like falls on top, and I'm gonna trim it up, don't worry. Ooh, I don't want it to look too like noticeable. I don't want to be in a situation where like, oh, my hair can't move. Oh my God, oh, okay. So we have that one. And I'm gonna kind of part this diagonally too. And I'm gonna put this one. Okay. You're going to wanna remember the layout, how you did it, because like once I cut these, it might look a little awkward in different placements, if you get what I'm saying. So now we're gonna go in and flat iron this hair and curl it. Because I need to curl my hair and the clip-ins, we're going to be taking smaller sections. And my flat iron, I'm using the Croc, and it is set at 370. I'll have a link down below for you guys. And then we're gonna let it cool in our hands, as we always do. Hair is all curled and pinned up. I look like a little old school pinup girl. I am gonna spray some stuff on here. I want to show y'all that before I put my makeup on. So this is the Andrew Fitzsimmons Soft Hold Hairspray. I've been using this a lot lately. Not that it's like any different than the Paul Mitchell spray I usually use, but I just like it. And I'm also using the Prism Shine Invisible Shine Spray. Okay, y'all, so my makeup is done. So now I want to start to take out the clips. Not gonna lie, I did peek at like one of them. So this is what my hair looks like coming out of it. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna brush or not. Maybe like, oh yeah, we're gonna brush. Okay, so I'm gonna brush everything through. I have no idea what the back looks like. From here, it looks fine. The texture matches really well. Our first installment into the holiday hair this year. I feel like this look came out really good. Like, nice, big, full curls. Fluffy hair, as we like to call it here, with some clip-ins that look like they're your hair. Like, this just looks like she has great hair. Like, if this person didn't know you. That's it. That's all for the tutorial today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.